Hey, space lovers ready to imagine life on Mars? Picture this. You wake up to a Martian sunrise, the sky painted in hues of pink and butterscotch. Your home is a high-tech dome shielding you from the harsh environment outside. Stepping out, you hop into your Mars rover, your everyday ride to work, Tom. The ground crunches beneath your feet, a landscape of red dust and rocky canyons stretching as far as the eye can see. At work, you're a part-time scientist, part-time farmer. You're researching ancient Martian microbes in the morning and growing potatoes for dinner in the afternoon. The day ends with a breathtaking view of Earth, a tiny blue dot in the vastness of space. It's a strange, yet thrilling new world. And who knows, one day this could be our reality. So, are you ready for life beyond Earth? Let's keep exploring.